So, what is EDDM? If you're a contractor or home service pro, you might be missing out on one of the easiest ways to get new customers in your ideal market. And no, it's not some complicated digital marketing tactic. It's every door direct mail, EDDM, from the United States Postal Service. But here's the thing, most people do it wrong. Let's talk about how to use EDDM in the right way as part of a complete marketing strategy so that you can minimize your costs and maximize your local customers in the right neighborhoods. Hey there, it's Chris at Footbridge Media. For over 20 years, Footbridge Media has helped home service businesses generate more leads and grow. Specifically, I want to talk about one of the most underutilized ways to get those leads from new customers in your ideal market, EDDM. But not just any EDDM campaign, one that works well with digital marketing to create a powerful local customer acquisition system. Make sure you stick around to the end, where I'll talk about a simple marketing trick that makes your EDDM campaigns even more effective without spending an extra single dollar. If you're looking for more free help to grow your business, make sure you subscribe to get more contractor marketing tips and tricks like this in the future. So what is EDDM and why should you care? EDDM is short for Every Door Direct Mail. It's a program by the United States Postal Service. It lets you send postcards to every home in a chosen area without needing a mailing list. That part is very important. Before, you had to rely on your own mailing lists, or you had to purchase your own lists. With EDDM, you can literally pick and choose the specific high-value neighborhoods where you would love to get more leads. That's why it's perfect for contractors and home service providers. You can pick those places with the income levels, the ages of buildings, or the types of property that make the most sense for your business. A common thing that a lot of contractors and home service pros will tell us is, we only want high-end leads, or we only do high-end work. If you use EDDM to target specific neighborhoods that have specific median incomes, that's one of the ways you can get exposed to more high-end potential customers. EDDM works because people still check their mail. They have to go to their mailbox, they have to go and empty it out. So if you can capture their attention, this gives you unique access to people and gets your business name and logo directly into their hands. That gives you a level of exposure that digital marketing alone cannot replicate. The most common mistake businesses make when it comes to trying EDDM is that they do it once and then quit. They try one mailing in one neighborhood, and if they don't see instant results, they abandon the idea. That's like making your first Facebook post and then quitting social media because it didn't go viral. So how can you make EDDM actually work for your business, just like most of your marketing and advertising efforts now? EDDM is about creating campaigns and multi-touch marketing opportunities. That means you need more frequency. One mailer alone won't cut it. You need a multi-week campaign to get real results. How often do you see the same TV commercial, hear the same radio or podcast ad, or scroll and see the same Facebook ads? Repeated exposure is part of the marketing effort. Send multiple EDDM postcards over time to the same area with some consistent branding, but with unique messaging. You need to make your offer clear. Your message can't just be call us if you need something. You need to give a strong reason why someone should contact you. You need to get them to move. That could be because you have some sort of insight that could be helpful to them, like warning them about potential problems upcoming with their property because of changes to the weather or because of the age of their property. It could be because you have a unique savings offer for their neighborhood only, a specific service with a specific attractive discount. The purpose of an EDDM postcard is not just to be informative or to deliver a pamphlet with your phone number in case they need you. The purpose of an EDDM postcard is to sell the homeowner on why they need you now. Your postcard design cannot be boring. It must be visually interesting enough to give homeowners a reason to stop when they're rifling through their mail. Your postcard needs to make them stop and pause. That brief moment of attention to your design and your offer is what will put your brand in their mind and keep you out of the trash. A good sticky design and offer may even earn you a coveted spot on their fridge. Your EDDM postcard needs to have a clear, concise, closing call to action, call now or free quote, something that demonstrates value and suggests immediate action. It should be paired with a phone number or web address so that taking the next step in the process is easy. Once you've got the EDDM basics down, including sending EDDM campaigns instead of single postcards, you can use digital marketing efforts to add to that multi-touch, multi-channel marketing exposure. Run Facebook ads to reinforce your mailers. When people see your postcard and then they see your ad online, it creates that, but how do they know I was looking at that? Or is my phone listening to me moment? But it also helps to demonstrate that you're a well-established business. You can geo-target your Facebook ads to be constrained to the same approximate area as your selected mailing routes and zip codes. Having a solid website presence and Google Business Profile rating is also important. If someone does a Google search for your business name after seeing your marketing materials, that's pretty likely to happen. That's oftentimes easier than manually typing in an exact domain name match. When your website pops up as the first thing in organic results when searching for your business, and when your Google business profile has a nice number of reviews and a good review average, when that shows up in your Google Knowledge panel or your map section, it helps to solidify your standing in your future customers' eyes. So let's talk about the next steps in getting new customers with EDDM. You've learned so far that EDDM is an easy way to target entire neighborhoods without a mailing list, that one mailer just won't cut it. You need to have a multi-week campaign to get real results, and that layering EDDM with Facebook ads and a strong online marketing presence can make your campaigns unstoppable. As far as that one simple trick to improve your EDDM effectiveness without spending more cash, sending EDDM is great, but the timing of when you send your mailers can be key. Have your campaigns ready to go so that you can try to time out the delivery of your messages. HVAC companies can send early season tune-up cards in March that say, "This April is supposed to be hotter than last year. Is your AC ready for the heat?" Roofing companies that do hail damage work can prepare the first round of EDDM postcards just prior to the start of hail season, warning homeowners to have a game plan for bad weather. Remodelers can have campaigns targeted around tax refund season or before major holidays. At the very least, try to get your postcards to land in mailboxes earlier in the week, like Monday to Wednesday, whenever possible, as homeowners are more likely to check their mail and engage with it before the weekend. If you're interested in experimenting with EDDM postcards, the pros at Footbridge Marketing have you covered. Footbridgemarketing.com has the tools, design services, and competitive pricing to help contractors dominate their local markets with EDDM. You can learn more about all of our contractor marketing print services online at footbridgemarketing.com.